Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Blaskovka and you're watching a demo video on connecting Shopify to SharePoint using BCS. And if you would like to download the source code to see what is actually happening behind the scenes, or if you want to install it on your SharePoint server, the GitHub repository link is on the screen, and you can follow up with me at blaskovka.com. I just wanted to give you a heads up that there are some prerequisites before you could install a BCS connector. You need an on-premise SharePoint server. If you don't already have a SharePoint server, this video is probably not for you. If you're already looking to fit Shopify data into the SharePoint environment, this video is for you. So a couple of benefits that we might consider is we're exposing a line of business application in a familiar environment, such as SharePoint external list, or through like Excel and Outlook. And you want to expose this to your users without actually creating user accounts for them on your Shopify website. If you have existing SharePoint talent and infrastructure, you have people that use SharePoint Designer, you could do codeless solutions for workflows, etc. Also, you can create reports. You can join Shopify data against some other system, all in real time. So just a quick overview. If you take a look at the Shopify API, there's customers, orders, products, and there's a bunch of other things. You could connect all of those into SharePoint via BCS. In this example, I'm only working with customers, but BCS can creates the external content types, which you could use in things like pick lists or external columns. And then external lists, which are basically SharePoint lists. You could attach workflows to them, and you could export it to Excel. You could export it to Outlook, SRS, and you could build codeless solutions using SharePoint Designer with parent-child relationships against other data. You could attach documents. So it gives you a really nice window into what's going on in Shopify in real time, but you have all of the features of SharePoint around it. So this is my demo store. I'm in the customers tab here, and you can see that I have a couple of test customers. We have Tom Smith, John Smith, Jane Doe, Ivan Blaskovka. If I jump over to my SharePoint list, I already have a connector set up. So I hit F5, just refresh. You can see Ivan, John, Jane Doe, Tom Smith, they're all here. Let's delete the selected customer, Tom Smith. So it's deleted off screen here. I jump into SharePoint, hit refresh, and the customer is deleted. So if I wanted to open up the Jane Doe account, let's take a look at that. So you can see that all of this information comes in, and currently I only have this configured to allow you to edit the note field, but really you could write any of those fields back. This is a new note. Actually, before I save that, let's go ahead and take a look at Jane Doe on this side. And you can see that it's blank. Enter a note about this customer. So when I hit save on this side in SharePoint, then go back to Shopify, hit F5, you could see that it's refreshed. This is a new note, pardon my spelling, right? So I could also jump in here and take a look at Jane Doe and see that she has no tags. So this is blank. I say, oh, this is a friend and family. Hit save. Jump back into SharePoint, refresh the screen, and you could see that my tags came through friends and family. So far in this demonstration, I've covered just displaying your data as a list. I've covered editing data, and BCS actually supports any number of edit operations and actually does create operations. I'm not going to cover that in this demonstration, but if you take a look at SharePoint, you could do tags on external lists, so you could actually add metadata within SharePoint, and then of course you can create custom views to like order by region or order by total spent or orders count, etc. Export to Excel, connect to Outlook, open with Access and Project, and various other SharePoint features. Currently, I don't have any workflows set up here, but BCS also supports workflow, so you could extend and get additional features that way. But for now, this project is still in an early stage. Just wanted to show you what I have so far. If you're interested, check out GitHub. You can go ahead and pull it down, install it, and see what you think. If you like this and you need this for your business, get in touch with me and I would be happy to work with you if you don't have your own in-house developer. One of my other projects, shameless plug, is caspiantheme.myshopify.com. It is a modern responsive theme for Shopify. Thank you again.